Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin using Charles Schwab. Before we get started, it's important to note that Schwab does not allow direct purchase of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin within their platform. However, we can utilize other options to buy Bitcoin. Let's go through the steps together. First, you should open an account on a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy Bitcoin, such as Coinbase or Kraken. Visit their website and sign up for an account. During the registration process, you will need to provide some personal information, including your email address and a valid form of identification. Once you have completed the registration, verify your account by following the instructions sent to your email. After your account is set up and verified, you will need to fund it. You can transfer money from your Charles Schwab account to your chosen cryptocurrency exchange. Log into your Schwab account and initiate a transfer to the bank account associated with your exchange. This usually involves selecting the amount you want to send and confirming the transaction. Make sure to check for any fees associated with this transfer. Once your funds are available in your exchange account, you can proceed to buy Bitcoin. Navigate to the section for buying or trading cryptocurrencies on the exchange platform. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase and review the transaction details. After confirming the purchase, your Bitcoin will be credited to your exchange wallet. Remember to consider transferring your Bitcoin to a secure wallet for long-term storage. That's it. You have successfully bought Bitcoin using Charles Schwab.